Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need some heavy duty casters for your workshop, I want to show you these.
These are from Ronlap, and these are Workbench Casters. It is a kit that you actually assemble yourself, and these things are sturdy. They can hold up to 880 pounds, so they are definitely heavy duty, and they are a 3-inch wheel. So we installed them on this very large workbench, and they're awesome because we can easily move this huge workbench around in our garage and have no trouble at all, knowing that these are going to hold up. So you do assemble these, it comes with everything you need, and it's very simple to do. All the pieces are there, and you just go ahead and put them together. Once you've got them put together, then you are ready to place them onto your workbench, and they operate really easily. There is that strong foot pedal that you just push down, and then it allows you to move your workbench around super easily. And these casters have a 360-degree rotation, so really excellent way to move things around, even if it is super heavy. So these are a great option for a non-slip retractable caster that allows you to effortlessly move your heavy workbench around.
So we have been super impressed with these extremely heavy duty casters, and that's my point of view.